Howdy, this is Terry, and I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Don't forget to click that like button and look at the description of this video. I have all kinds of links, and on my homepage, you'll see a bunch of playlists for how I lost my weight. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Listen up, this is going to be the fastest meal prep I ever did because I was on the phone with my friend, and it's 8:15 and I got to get ready. So I made my salad. I put some of my pickles on it, and I put some seasonings on it and dressing on it. This is some kind of meat that we're going to have for lunch. Probably pork and gravy. This is my eggs with some onions and some salt and some my onions and mushrooms in it. And then I've got apple. Oh, and I got my cheese wedge in there. I got my here. My avocado, got that with my seasoning, and I got a bacon. So how's that? Oh, got to get my spoon in there. All right, so how's that for a? That's faster than grease lightning, man. Grease lightning, go, 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 go. Did you get very far? Grease lightning, go, grease lightning, go, 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 grease lightning. She's a boom. About a room, a grease lightning, go, 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 go. Look at them babies. Look at them babies. Okay, bye. Good morning. It's breakfast time. I have my eggs. I just took a scoop and set it off to the side to cool down. So I got that right here. And I have my avocado. Got my bacon. You can't see it, but it's a piece of bacon. And then I got this left. And today, I bought a case of these, so I brought one today. So, there we go. Okay, bye. Hello, it's lunchtime. And, let's see. We have our pork and gravy. I swear I must have made about, I don't even know how many of these I made. I must have made a ton of them, though. I'm about sick of them, but I'm going to eat it because I always eat what I bring, because what other option is there? I ain't going to go order something out because I'm too cheap to spend $10 on something I can eat for $1.50. Even though I'm like, man, I'm tired of this. But it's good. It's good. So, I ain't complaining. I ain't complaining. I'm just whining. There's a difference. Did you know that? I bet you didn't know that. Yeah, there's a difference in complaining and whining. I don't know what it is, but I'm telling you there is, so don't argue with me. Okay, my salad. Let's see what we got here. I thought I got paid Monday, so I thought I was going to be doing my shopping next week, but we got paid today. So, what does that mean for y'all? It means I'm going to go to Walmart probably in the morning, and so I'm going to go buying some stuff, but I took a whole bunch of meat out of the freezer. I think it was Wednesday. And so I have a whole bunch of meat that I'll be cooking up this weekend. And then I need to make some of my pickles. I like my pickles. This time I'm going to do the other pickles. Just to vary it up. But I'm going to do, like I said, it's the pickles where I make all different flavors. But listen, I'm going to let y'all in on a little secret, because y'all are kind enough to watch my videos. Now, my eating videos, those are regular, so if I eat on Friday, you're going to see it on Sunday. Those are regular. But, just so you know the reality, my meal prep that you see this Sunday was from last week. Shh, don't be mad, don't be mad. But, Saturdays, I end up recording like 6 or 7 videos. And so 5, 6, 7, whatever. And so, hang on. So it takes me a couple days to edit them. So by doing them so far ahead, like by next week, you see, and this Sunday, I'm showing y'all how I made that stump. And I don't know, I think it was on Sunday when I ate. But I'm showing y'all how I made that. But that's coming out Sunday, I think. But anyway, whatever. But yeah, so I record all of my meal preps on the weekend, on Saturday. And then I do my editing. Sometimes if I record a certain thing, I'll go on and upload and do that. But then I'll upload like the main meal prep I upload for the next week. And then I drop little things throughout the week. So I don't know what you're going to see when, because half the time I don't even know what I'm going to be making until I decide to make it. And yeah, so that's kind of how that works. That's the truth of it all. Is that on Saturdays, I usually make 5 or 6 videos, and then I just drop them out a little bit throughout the week, but I save whatever the main special thing, I save that for the next weekend. But a thing about that, I have so much food in my freezer, it kind of works out, because the stump that you're going to see on Sunday, I had other sides prepped, so I don't even start eating the stump. I may have enough to where I don't even eat it till Monday or Tuesday. So it kind of works out. So I always have other food in my freezer, so by the time I get to the food that I'm making that pops up in the next week, once in a while, it doesn't work out, but usually it kind of ends up to where I don't eat with the stuff that I made until the following week. So I don't know of anything else to tell y'all. I do need to go to Lowe's. I don't know when a good time to go to Lowe's is. Like, I don't know if I should do it on a lunch break, if I should do it after work. But one thing I can tell you, I'll tell you when I do. I don't know what I'll decide right now, but when it's supper time, I can tell you what I did. So, all right, well, I'm gonna eat and quit talking with my mouth full, because I'm gonna work through lunch. I got some stuff I gotta work on. So, okay, have a good day. Bye. So supper tonight, we're doing a little something. And I gotta figure out what I'm gonna put it in. I know, we're gonna try. Hold on. I'll give you my logic here in a second. So, I want some, I had made that, like, instead of potato soup, it was vega soup in the past. And so, I'm going to heat up my rutabaga and my ground beef. And I want to chop it up and puree it, but I cannot in like my bullet blender, because you can't, once you close it down, you can't open it till it cools off, and ain't nobody got time for that. So this is 200 grams of rutabaga. And I know that because I actually wrote it on here. Yay, Terri of the past. Good job. So, in the past, when I've made vega soup, I put a little cream in it. So whenever I buy heavy cream, I pour out the cream in 1 tablespoon servings, 15 gram servings, and I freeze it. So then I can pull it out whenever I want to, and it's just fine. Something else I'm going to add, I have some cream cheese right here. And I'm putting in all this together because I'm going to microwave it. So now I just need, no, I won't do it. I was gonna say I could use my cleaver, but I think this will work, and it just worked well enough. But let me move this so I don't end up cutting and electrocuting myself. Can you see? Yeah, you can see. Oh! Alrighty then. Alright. So about that much cream cheese. I don't know how much that is. Now, what we're going to do is, we're going to microwave that. It'd be really good if I had some broth. But I don't have any broth defrosted, so I'll just add some water when I'm ready. And really, I could do it like a shepherd's pie kind of thing. Although, cottage pie, I think is what y'all call it. But I called it rancher's pie. So, but y'all said, no, Terry, it's already a thing. And the thing is called cottage pie. Fine. Why y'all gotta dash my hopes? Okay, so I'm gonna microwave this. Oh, we gotta put little bacon bits in it. Come on now. Come on, we got to have some bacon pieces. Bacon makes everything better. All right, I'm gonna microwave this for 2 minutes. I'll be right back. All right, now we're gonna put it in here. I don't know if I probably should do it this way. That's the wrong size spoon. I'll be dirtying up 2 spoons. But that's okay. That's okay. It'll still be good. Don't look at my sink over here. It's full because I need my dishwasher's full of clean dishes. I tell you what, I have been so busy. And you don't know, that kind of stresses me out when I'm super busy. Well, maybe you don't know, but I'm telling you, it stresses me out when I'm super busy. Because I'm like, I don't really, you know, when you live alone, I was telling my friend this last night. My life is so boring to, you know, compared to listening to her talk about her kids and stuff. But when you live alone, it's just you. And so you create your own, whether you want it chaotic or whether you want it calm, cool, and collected. I want it calm, cool, and collected. And so so whenever I have a lot that goes on, it's kind of like, oh my gosh, there's just a lot. So anyway, before I stir this up, before I do it, I'm gonna add a little salt. So think about to make potato soup. We're gonna put some of this Badia Complete, and we're also gonna add some of our nutritional yeast. Crave All Day. That's just a really good nacho cheesy kind of flavor. All right, let's put this on. Let's give this baby a whirl. Okay. Let's see how it works. Oh, yeah, buddy. I'm going to have to heat it up longer, but I just didn't want it to be super hot. That's going to be good. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. You know what would be good in here? And I'm going to do it, too. They're going to be frozen when I put them in, but I don't care. You know me. I don't care about that kind of thing. It's going in the microwave for 2 minutes. That'll warm them up a little bit. I'll show you. You just hold them horses. You just calm your jets over there, and you just sit back down, and wait till I tell you what I'm about to do. Don't be getting so antsy and fidgety. I'll get you. I got you. I'll tell you. Look at that. I even licked it. It's a good texture. No, I know it's not soupy. It's like mashed potato and meaty. I put my faith in Jesus. He never lets me down. Faithful through generations. So why would he fail now? He won't. That's a Caleb song. He won't fail. All right, I'm gonna mix that in there. So it's kind of like a makeshift shepherd's pie. Yes, I know it's not, but it is for me. It's a cottage pate. Oh man, this is gonna be good. All right, I'm gonna microwave this for a couple minutes and I'll be back. Oh, Yeah, buddy. I don't care who you are. That's dadgum good. All right, I'll be right back. All right, let's get to it. Our, I don't know what you want to call this. Our hot mess. Rutabaga, heavy cream, cream cheese, some seasonings, ground beef, peas, and carrots. So, just a big old, I don't know, casserole, hodgepodge, I don't know. But it's going to be dadgum good. Hot. Let me just tell you something. Holy smokes. There's something about the combination of rutabaga and ground beef. Man, oh man, oh man. Beef and bega. It is the bee's knees. And then you throw in some peas and carrots. Y'all. That is the fruit. This one's a little full, but it's got big chunks in it. So, anyway, that's my supper. I'm going to unload the dishwasher and then reload it because that's bad. That's a long time. I probably washed dishes Monday or Tuesday, but it's just been too busy. I ain't got time. Didn't have time to worry about it. But I do now. So, all right. Have a good night. Hot dog. We kept this one under 20 minutes. Go Terri. Go Terri. Go Terri Toodle. Good job. Good job. Okay, bye.